All right, here we are, Saturday morning. I started this probably about 45 minutes to an hour ago. I've taken my wheels off. There's my rear right there. There's my front here. Last night I got out, I cleaned the wheel. This morning I went ahead and cleaned the caliper, and now look at this. Now we're installing the American Authority side skirts. So this install for my car, I'm doing it maybe the same as some of you, maybe different. I am not using the rivets. I'm using the material that they gave me with the side skirts. Basically double-sided tape, which I won't be using. I'll be using an adhesive that's supposed to be really damn good, so I'm going to use that, and I'm using the screws that come with the kit. So far I have the front clip in the fender well. I have it secured. I also have the rear clip secured by the screws that they provided, and I have a few on the bottom. So I like the look of it. It's definitely flowing with the rest of the car. Okay, I don't know why my GoPro camera cut off like that while I was recording, but I am recording anyway. Video editing 101. So I like the way they look. I like the way the side skirts look on the vehicle. It matches and it flows with the lines that I have for my rear extension. Also with the rock guard. Still have my rock guard on the front. I'm going to leave it there. But this is what I'm doing Saturday morning while it's cool out. I don't know what the temperature is right now. It's probably around 80 degrees, but I have my little fan, got my little light. I'm in the garage and I'm enjoying doing what I'm doing. Wait a minute, I said that so wrong. I'm enjoying doing what I'm doing. How about that? Okay, and as you can see, I have my screws. There's a few holes here, so all I have to do is take my little drill bit, make a pilot hole, and I'm installing everything with my screwdriver. So being in construction, this is no different from car, computer, to steel, plywood. Everything basically comes together the same way. So I'm slowly screwing in the screws, making sure that everything is good and tight, and then I'll come back last and I'll put my adhesive on the top piece. Then I'm going to hold it into place for 15 minutes because that's what they recommend. Hold it into place for 15 minutes. Then I'll go clean the inside wheel of my front wheel like I did my rear wheel last night, and I'll put the tires, wheels and tires back on the car, tighten everything down, jack up, remove the jack stands, lower it, pull it out, and reverse, put it back in, and I'll do the passenger side. So I'll do my best to remember to take a video of this once it's completed on the driver's side, and then I'll do it all over again on the passenger side. All right, stay tuned. All right, this is the getting ready to let the car down. So I wanted to take a video of mounting the tires back on. You should see some photos of the real wheels and tires off. Went ahead and deep cleaned the wheels. I have the driver's side skirts on. I used adhesive. I didn't like what I saw. It took it way too long to stick, so I went ahead and pulled it off, and I put the double-sided tape on. So I'm hoping this double-sided tape is going to hold. If not, I'm going to buy the strongest double-sided tape they make, come back, tear this off, put the double-sided tape back on, and go ahead, do what I do. But there it is. So I'm getting ready to let the jack down, or getting ready to jack the car back up, take the jack stands out, jack the car down, back it out the garage, turn it around, back it in the garage so I can get the passenger side done. But I like what I'm seeing. Looks good to me. know if you could hear that not on the camera, but man, this fucked up driveway that we have at this house right now. So I just installed the side skirt, and whoop-de-doo, I'm already rubbing coming in, or at least backing in the way I did on the drive. And as you can see, it's been happening right here. So this is what I call the low life problems when you lower your vehicle. This shit happens. It's frustrating, and I just got to be careful every time I back in and out. But man, I will say this, and I will take some shots. I'm going to take some shots after out in the sun, but man, these side skirts look good on the car. I love the look, and it's going to protect the paint from any nicks and things like that, and it also adds that aerodynamic for the airflow. So I like it, man. I'm giving that a big okay. Deuces.
Yeah.